Hello there, this is Mark Sabatella from Outside Shore Music, home of Mastering MuseScore. In this week's tip, I want to show you the correct way to upload a score from MuseScore Studio into MuseScore.com, the score sharing website. It works kind of, sort of, to use your web browser to do this, but as you're going to see, it doesn't really work well. The right way to do this is while looking at your score in MuseScore Studio, you're going to come to File and then Publish to MuseScore.com. This will pop up a dialog that gives you the option of choosing a name, choosing the visibility for your score, whether you want to replace the existing score or not, and setting the visibility for it. I will set this one to unlisted. And then when you say publish, what you'll see is it's going to generate the audio for you. This is important because if you're using Muse Sounds or any VST instruments or any custom sound libraries at all, you're going to want to be using your own audio when you upload to MuseScore.com. So by using this Publish to MuseScore.com option within MuseScore, it will go ahead and upload the audio for you. It's generating an MP3 file as I'm speaking right now, and when it's done, it's going to go ahead and upload the file. So if you don't choose that option, well, first let's see what it's going to do here. It's going to now give me the same dialog you would normally see on the website, where you can enter a description, choose a genre, and all the other sorts of stuff, and then you would hit the update button when you're done with all that. So the thing is, if you don't do that, if you just come over to the website and you click the upload button here, choose a file, you can certainly choose a file and upload it, but MuseScore is not going to get to use all of your custom libraries and all. It's just going to use a default sound font and a lot of default settings, and it's probably not going to sound as good as you would like. So for instance, here is what my orchestration of my composition Reunion sounds like when I did just that. I uploaded it using the web browser, and when we listen to this, it's going to be kind of disappointing. Let's hear it. So, yeah, maybe you don't know what it's supposed to sound like, but I know what it's supposed to sound like, and that is not it. What it should be sounding like is what we are about to hear. So, if you want it to actually sound like it sounds on your own computer, make sure you upload it from within MuseScore Studio. I use that Publish to MuseScore.com option. You can also come over to the Publish tab on the main toolbar, and there you will see a Publish to MuseScore.com button. Does exactly the same thing. So that is the correct way to upload scores to the score sharing website, MuseScore.com.